reliable, durable, and customizable. Hello boss, this is Darren. Don't want a truck by model with fixed specs? Check this. This is a 6x4 dump truck we made. As the customer requirement, it installed the tyre 340 horsepower engine and the Dongfeng XL. So it is more emphasized the load capacity than its mobility. 3,950 plus 1,400 mm is a number we choose to fit the cargo box that customer required. Side with other recommended parameters. It meets the mission but most cost-effective. Remember I mentioned the load capacity? It is the 16-ton axle and a double-layer frame. It can load at least 4 itself. We are Hubei off-road special vehicle. We believe best product is best service. If you need vehicle, come to us. We make sure every penny you spend worthwhile.